Loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Welcome back to Vlogtober day 17. For today's video, I thought we would unbox, try on style, the October Boxycharm. So in case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. Also, don't forget I'm uploading a video every single day for the month of October. So if you're not aware of Boxycharm, they are a monthly beauty subscription. Inside you receive 5 full-size items and you pay $21 a month. Let's just try this on together since anyway I have to do my makeup for the day. The little pamphlet, see what we got in here. So in here we have the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. What? The shade I have is Mother. This is one of my favorites. Let me see if I have that one. I have a smaller version of this, which I'm going to use Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This is very interesting. Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, made exclusively for Boxycharm. It's from the brand Pharmacy. We also have the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara from IT Cosmetics, which also is one of my favorites. It's eyeshadow palette. It's from the brand Pure Cosmetics. This is called the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Some matte eyeshadows. We have some shimmer. We also have 2 blushes, a highlighter, and I'm guessing this is a bronzer. One of the first things I noticed about this palette is that it doesn't contain a matte medium toned eyeshadow for the transition. So I'm actually going to dip into another palette just so that we can start warming up the crease a bit. Just to let you guys know, I already primed my eyes with an eyeshadow primer and then I set it with a matte cream colored eyeshadow. Dip in to this color called Hidden Secret. I think this is supposed to be a blush, but we are going to use it as an eyeshadow. Use this to warm up this crease area a bit more. Clean blending brush just to blend this out a bit more. Dip into this matte brown eyeshadow called Sneak Peek. Try on to the outer corner of the eye. Lightly blend that out a bit. Tap a bit of Disguise with my finger. I want to tap that right onto the center of the lid. Spritz my brush. I want to see how this applies. Get a lot more color payout. Spritz my brush again. I'm going to dip into this color called Mask Off, which is a beautiful green. So I'm going to apply my face makeup, eyeliner, and I will be right back. I'm going to go in with this matte brown eyeshadow called Sneak Peek, and we're going to sweep that along the lower lash line. We have some color going on the lid, but I am also wearing a green eyeliner, so I don't want it to be a little bit too much. I already curled my lashes. Now we're going to use the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I just realized right now that I did not apply concealer. This is not good. A little bit of blush. Just go in with Hidden Sunset, but light-handedly. For the highlight, we're going to use Twilight. I gotta admit, I like the name of this. Let's actually pop this into the inner eye corner. It's subtle, but it is very pretty. Let's grab a fan brush and apply Twilight to tops of the cheekbones. Ooh, I like that. Maybe I'm just biased because of the name. I mean, you guys know. Twilight Chick 1 for 3. We are going to apply the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I already have the smaller version of this, so I want to save this for somebody else. So I'm going to put this to the side. Just don't mind my lips because I'm testing out another product right now. Although I like the color of this, I just kind of feel like it's not really meshing well with my eye makeup for some reason. I feel like there's just a lot going on. I'm just going to top it off with a more neutral type of lip gloss. Okay. I really like the look that I created using the eyeshadows. Just wish there was a transition color, but then again, you can always just use a medium tone matte eyeshadow for that area. So I'm gonna go ahead and run my errands. Once I get back home, we're gonna test out the cleansing balm as well as that face mask. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Hey guys, so it is already 11:21. I've been home since probably about 9, like almost, no, take that back. I've been home since about 10 o'clock. Have you guys ever made a trip to the mall, went in specifically for a few items, and then you ended up leaving with more? That's exactly what happened today. I went in for gloves, scarves, and a hat. Not in my budget, from Pharmacy. Green Clean. It's a cult favorite makeup cleansing balm. It's supposed to melt away even the boldest of makeup look. Gently massage onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with damp washcloth. It smells pretty good. Okay, let's see. Always wary when it comes to anything new I put onto my skin, because I have such sensitive skin that sometimes I end up breaking out. Warm washcloth to wipe this off. It feels nice and smooth. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse off my face. That worked very well. So now we're gonna try the Dermovia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. Cleanse and dry face. Apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas. Line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask to areas where peel paste is applied. Place ear slits securely around ears. Wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes until dry. Gently peel off mask. Okay, let's give it a try. Here's the actual charcoal face mask, and then it comes with these lace masks that look kind of, I can tell you guys, I know I need it right here. Ooh, right here. It's very, very thick. Stick it around the ears. And what is this? Ooh, okay. This is also supposed to go under the ears. Just like that. It's very, very interesting. It's been a good, probably about 15 minutes. Let's see. Ooh, okay. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, did I get it on any of my brow hairs? I really hope not. Wait, it's supposed to be downward motion. Examine this. Definitely took out all the gunk in my nose. My skin feels so super clean after the cleansing balm and also the mask. Let's just recap really quickly all the items in this month's Boxycharm. I was really impressed with the Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. I like the colors in here. I like how it has some blushes, kind of like a shimmery bronzer with a highlight, so it's definitely like an all-in-one. Although it doesn't have a transition shade, I think it's a great palette. As for the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, I'm a fan of this product, so I was very pleased that it was in this month's box. Also, the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Mother. Again, it's a really, really pretty shade, but I think there was just too much, at least for me, I felt like there was just too much color going on for my taste. I'm going to be passing this on to somebody else who can use it since I have the smaller version. Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This stuff really surprised me. It really melted away the makeup. It took away all of the eye makeup. It also didn't leave a residue, which I really appreciate. Sometimes when I use items that are more balmy, when it comes to cleansing products, it leaves like an oily kind of feel to the skin, but this didn't. I like the way how my skin felt after using this. And then last but not the least, Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, which has the lace kind of mask protector. This was very interesting to me. I have to admit though that I didn't place the mask too carefully around my brow area. I think it actually ripped out some of my natural brow hair, so definitely want to make sure that you don't get any of this on your brow hairs, because it will definitely rip those babies out, and you guys can see I barely have any. So it really cleansed my pores. You guys can see it's all like all that gunk is all up in there. Let me know your thoughts on these products this month. What did you guys think? If you guys received Boxycharm, What did you guys receive in your box? Did we receive the same items or did we get completely different stuff? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. Make sure you guys come back tomorrow for Vlogtober day 18. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm gonna leave a list of videos right over here just in case you missed it for all of the Vlogtober videos. Thank you love so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogtober day 18. Mwah.